when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake.
This bedroom has not been painted in 16 years. We didn't want to spend a lot of money while we did this makeover, so we only bought a new headboard and bench. I'm going to go ahead and keep the rest of the furniture, even though it's definitely outdated. I'm going to try and incorporate it into my decor to still make it look good.
There's too much to be done. It's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden today when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then, so scared that I would lose you. But you called me up right after I touched the ground. You wanted to hear that I got there all safe and sound, and you said, I know we're gonna stay.
Definitely sneezing from all of the dust. Oh my goodness, it feels so good to get these curtains off these windows so I can open them. I haven't opened these windows in years.
To be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. I know.
Sorry about the lighting in this video with these big windows. You know how these cameras do. They keep going in and out and in and out with the lighting. It does get better, but bear with me on this as I can't control this part.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you.
And this is the moment we realized that this frame does not fit our headboard. And we had to come up with a solution. A quick trip to the store and we got attachment brackets and it was all good to go.
You're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting.
If you want to make some book stacks like those, I'll leave a video in the upper right hand corner for you to check out. Okay, so I'm really liking how this is looking, but I just feel like it needed something more. So after I added this bench, I came up with an idea.
That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego.
Let me be your reminder.
Here's a shot of when I did the drop cloth curtains. This is also another great video. I'll leave it up in the upper corner. Definitely check it out. It shows you totally how to do all of this, and it's so easy.
Not too far from the heart, there's a start, oh have me.
I definitely recommend changing out your light switch plates. We even did like the little light switches, our telephone jack, the electrical outlets, all of that we updated. It made a huge difference and definitely helped transform the room and make it look so much cleaner and neater. Definitely recommend.
Turn this way. Turn to me.
I found these awesome mirror frames at Joann Fabric, and then I just got on and printed off 3 words that I felt were just really kind of nice and special to go over our bed together. And so simple, so inexpensive, but yet it turned out exactly how I wanted it.
Way up high, where the rainbow sets sighs, that's where courage lies. When you're busy growing up, know that I'm right here. When everything is messed up and it feels like no one cares, turn this way. It doesn't matter where I am or what I'm doing. Ooh, you're what matters most to me. No one else comes close. Ooh.
This doesn't even feel like my bedroom. Doesn't even feel the same. It just feels so, I don't know, like light and airy. Hi guys. It's just, I love it. It turned out exactly how I wanted. And what I love most about it is when you look in the bedroom door, this is the view you get of the bed, and now you can't even see the dresser, so you don't even focus on the fact that there's like old furniture. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Mr. is definitely enjoying this bed. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.